So I've got two good sources, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to collect this information because I want to keep all of this available to me as I research. So I'm going to left click here right where it says title, and then I'm going to pull my mouse down and just highlight all of this information. And I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go to my Word document I have open here, and I'm just going to paste all of that in. And as you can see, I get the whole documentation, including the thumbnail. So if I can just get to the shelf, I can find a book that looks like this one. It also gives me the contents, so as I'm researching stuff, and maybe I find 15 or 20 different sources. This helps me keep track of what's in each one of those sources, so I remember, hey, why did I want that? You may even want to highlight the ones that really stand out to you and bold them or underline them so that you know specifically this is what I grabbed this source for. I'm going to do that again for the other source that we found, the school shootings book. Copy all that information. The other thing this lets you do is it gives you all the information you need when you go in to see the librarian. You can just give them the call number and the title, and they can hopefully take you right to the book. Okay, so we've got both of those, and I would save this as a research list, something along those lines, to make sure I didn't lose it. I'll close those out. Close that out as well. And then before we go, I'm just going to take one more look. I'm going to take gun out, and I'm just going to look for video games and violence and see what comes up from that. And that brings back 19 different sources. So I could go through this. Teens at Risk we already have. Here's one about media violence. That's a possibility. How fantasies become reality, seen through media influence. This one's just on video games. Grand Theft Childhood, a play off of the video game series Grand Theft Auto. Surprising Truth About Violent Video Games and What Parents Can Do. This is from 2008. Any of those would be useful as well. So even just changing your search terms by one word can move you from 2 sources to a possible 19 sources. It can be done quick, which doesn't mean you should do it fast. You should take your time and look through it, but none of these types of searches should take you an exorbitant amount of time. Okay, we're going to go ahead and close out of this. I'm going to back up actually. And that will bring the second section of the research tour to a close. This was just basic library research. We're also going to take a look at advanced searches here next, and then after that we're going to take a look at the Ohio Link library catalog, and we're looking at how we can pull information in from other colleges around the state.